Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be making seafood chowder. For that we'll dice our vegetables first. Carrots, onion, celery. So that's our diced vegetables, and that's our marinara mix. On a pot we'll make roux now. So roux will add butter and flour. So we'll use equal amount of butter to equal amount of flour to make that roux. We'll mix it together and then we'll add the milk. Once the milk has started to boil a bit, then we'll add our vegetables, our marinara mix. We will simmer it for around 20 to 30 minutes on a slow heat, but we'll keep on stirring in between. We'll season with seafood booster, salt and pepper, some fish sauce, some dry parsley. We'll add some diced fish to our chowder now. Hope you enjoy the recipe guys. Thank you for watching. So that's our seafood chowder.